Welcome to Spring LIB.
This setup seems to be something that you would use the law of cosines for, so hopefully that is what you're currently studying to make sense of this. I've written the law of cosines out here, and let's say we wanted to find um, this angle first, where Dick is. Well, the side opposite would be 201, so that would be 201 squared equals the other two sides would be the a and b in the formula. So 153 squared plus 175 squared minus 2 times 153 times 175 times the cosine of angle C in the formula, but this is just the angle opposite. So I'm going to use D for that's where Dick's 10 is. Okay, so in a calculator, I'm going to do 201 squared, and I'm going to subtract the 153 squared and 175 squared. So 201 squared minus 153 squared minus 175 squared is negative 13,633. Negative 13,633. 2 times 153 times 175 is negative 53, well, because that was a negative actually. Negative 53,550 times the cosine of D. Divide both sides by negative 53,550. And we have 0.2546 to 4 decimal places. But I want to find the inverse cosine of this angle. So in degrees, so make sure your calculator is in degree mode, the inverse cosine of 0.2545, I'm going to keep going. Well, I'll leave it here. I'll go to the nearest degree. So we'll say 75 degrees. Now we can use the law of sines. Let's say I'm using a law of sines to find the angle where Tom's tent is. So that would be the sine of t over the opposite side, 175, and that would be equal to the sine of d, which is 75 degrees, over its opposite side, 201. And so the sine of angle t would be equal to 175 times the sine of 75 degrees over 201. 175 times the sine of 75 over 201. That's about 0.841. So we want to then find the inverse sine of this decimal. And to the nearest degree, I'm going to say it's 57 degrees. And now we can use the fact that there's 180 degrees in a triangle and subtract from 180 the 57 and the 75, which leaves about 48 degrees.